Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Winsy. Winsy.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Weensy. You ready to go, Bob? Do you want to go for a hike? All right, let's go. Ready? What?
You want to go in there? Okay, he knows what exactly what
Let's
this
get
is.
in the backpack.
Can you say backpack?
Say backpack.
No.
Okay.
You gotta bend down a little.
Bub, were you having a good time? Yeah, is it fun? Last time I was out on this trail, it was raining, and I posted my goals for 2019 video. And then my very last video that I put out was me just walking around in the neighborhood with this little backpack thing. So we decided to mix the two and actually put this thing to work. But I've only walked like 100 yards and I'm already out of breath. Ooh, whoa. Oh, pretty.
No, I'm wearing socks that are not no-show. I feel like I'm in school.
You feel like
I feel like that weird kid that wears socks that do show. I don't know. If that even makes sense.
No, I know what you mean. Bub's been saying go, go in my ear for like the last 5 minutes. Oh, now you stop. Come on, Bob. Be careful. Bubba, are you riding with mommy now? You liking that, Bub? You just singing in your ear? Oh, I needed a rest. Pretty sure I'm sweating. Well,
I thought I broke it.
oh, jeez.
Did I break it?
Did it break?
No.
Yep.
Oh no! Well, I mean, I could still carry him. I was just trying to tighten this to hug my waist. Can you tie
What
it?
are you, like She-Ra or something?
I don't know who that is.
Like He-Man, but like She-Ra? Alright, well.
Let's just ignore that.
We'll just get another one because I'm pretty sure that one's super old. Matt gave it to me.
Well, it's definitely worth buying.
Yeah, I mean, I can't imagine it's more than like $100.
Well, I like this because all the pressure is on my hips, but it doesn't hurt.
Right.
Like, it doesn't feel like he's on my back.
Oh, look, you can see the lake.
Look, Asher, there's a lake. See the water?
I'm gonna go down there. And it looks so sick. Oh, that's a bit of a drop. So cool. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this drop is like at least 100 feet, but that's so cool. We've only done half a mile. It feels like we've done 5 miles. Jeez. I think miles count more when you have a toddler on your back. Bubba, can you decide whether or not you want to be in a backpack or walk?
No.
No?
5 minutes each. And
Come on,
he
Bub.
doesn't know what he wants after.
I just looked up on my All Trails app that this is a 2.5 mile loop.
Trails map?
Yeah, that's how I found this one. That it's a 2.5 mile loop,
Follow Daddy.
and we just crossed the half-mile marker. So we're deciding to turn around because we have a toddler.
No good reason.
No, I don't want to test it with Bub.
Well, if both we come, it'll just be the two of us, and we can do the whole thing.
And because I don't want to do all 2.5, or I don't want to learn the entire trail with a toddler on my back. So next time. Count the trees.
2.
There's 2 trees.
Count the trees.
2. 2. 7.
7.
That one.
2, 2, 7. That one.
At least he's trying.
I think we have the right attire to go for.
You don't think you do?
Well, I mean, I'm wearing Nikes. You're wearing
so am I.
Nikes. And then Bub's wearing
Crocs.
like actual Crocs. They just had like a walking stick.
Well, we don't know
And
what
like
we're doing.
they had boots.
Well, they're old.
It doesn't matter.
We're in our 20s.
One of us is gonna break our ankles.
My worst fear is that I'm walking him like this, and then there's a tree branch. It's like boom. Yeah.
That's a valid fear.
What?
You're pretty.
Huh?
You're pretty. I totally smash. Hey babe, have you ever thought about making love in the woods?
Alexander.
What? Just asking if you thought about it, not if you'll do it.
I don't think about making love anywhere ever.
Your tag's showing. Swing and a miss. I won't tell. You can take that one home.
Oh,
I don't know what they are. I guess so.
That one.
You want that
That
rock?
one.
Oh, 2 rocks now, bub? Oh, you can't have it here. That one's pretty deep in there. Do you want... let's pick up... How about this one right here? You want that one?
in our front yard.
You want that one?
We have a bird feeder, bird house thing. Oh, Paula, how many rocks do you have?
2 rocks.
Dogs?
It's 3.
Civilization.
There's actually a good amount of people here.
There's way more people here than when we first got here. Bob, did you have fun? Yeah? Babe, did you have fun?
Yeah?
Good.
You?
Yeah, it was fun. I definitely want to finish the whole thing with you though.
Yeah.
Like I want to actually do like a proper hike and be like super tired and have to stop and eat snacks. Yeah.